What is the real meaning of plantain fruit in dreams? Today we are going to know all the possible meanings of these types of dreams. So there are some common types of plantain dreams that people see during sleep. Number 1. If someone sees plantains in a dream, then this dream is considered good and indicates that you are going to achieve something big in life, as well as an upcoming good time in which you will make huge progress in every aspect of life very easily. Now number 2, if someone sees eating plantains in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates good luck, success, prosperity in the upcoming time, or any of your big wishes are going to be fulfilled soon without any hindrance. But sometimes this dream also suggests an auspicious ceremony in the family, like someone marries or buying something valuable in real life. Now number 3, if someone sees unripe or green plantains in a dream, then it indicates to have some patience to get the desired results in life. As well as sometimes this dream also suggests focusing on your goals according to priority in life and completing your task with dedication and passion, because something big and positive is waiting for you in the coming future. Now number 4, if someone sees buying plantains in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates any kind of big financial gain from a business, job, etc. that will give you real satisfaction and peace in real life. Now number 5, if someone sees a plantain tree in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates good luck, success, prosperity and an upcoming good time in which you will progress in every aspect of life very easily, or any of your big wishes are going to be fulfilled soon which you have been waiting for a long time. Now number 6, if someone sees ripe plantains in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates good luck, success, prosperity and an upcoming good time in which you will get the fruits of your past hard work and dedication soon, which you have been waiting for a long time. Now number 7, if someone sees receiving plantains in a dream, then it signifies good luck and prosperity and new opportunities for success in life, or you can get any kind of good news that will make you happy in real life. Now number 8, if someone sees rotten plantains in a dream, then it indicates some kind of difficulties or obstacles to completing any work, project or planning, or you have made any kind of wrong decision in life that demands your attention and needs some corrections to get the desired results in real life. Now number 9, if someone sees or eats fried plantains in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates easy success in any work, project or planning due to your hard work and dedication soon.